Welcome to Under 10 Brain Boost. Today we're going to talk about how to make your first $1,000 online through affiliate marketing as a beginner. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online, and it's a great opportunity for beginners to jump in. You don't need any prior experience, and it can be a great way to supplement your income or even start your own business. The best part is that you don't need to create your own product. You simply promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale. If you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, side hustles, technology, finance, and other strategies to boost your brain, improve yourself and achieve your goals, then hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights. Now, back to affiliate marketing. So, where do you start? First, you need to find a niche or a specific area of interest that you're passionate about. This could be anything from health and fitness to technology and finance. Choosing a niche that you're passionate about will make it easier for you to create content, as you will already have knowledge and interest in the subject. It is also important to consider the size of the niche and the level of competition. You want to pick a niche where you can easily stand out and that have enough potential customers. Once you've identified your niche, you can start looking for affiliate programs to join. There are a lot of affiliate programs available, and you can find them in several ways. One of the best ways to find affiliate programs is to search for them on Google. Just type in affiliate program plus your niche, and you'll find a list of options. But if you want to get started right away and don't want to waste time searching, you should check out some of the top affiliate marketing programs for beginners such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Commission Junction, Rakuten Marketing, ShareASale, eBay Partner Network, and Flex Offers. 1. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular affiliate programs. They offer a wide range of products in various niches, making it easy to find something to promote, and they also have a user-friendly interface and tracking system. 2. ClickBank is another great option. It offers products in various niches, from health and wellness to software and technology. They have a vast selection of products and some of the highest commissions in the industry. 3. Commission Junction also offers a wide range of products in various niches, from fashion and beauty to technology and finance. They have a user-friendly interface and robust tracking system. 4. Rakuten Marketing offers a wide range of products, from fashion and beauty to electronics and home goods. They have a user-friendly interface and helpful resources for their affiliates. 5. ShareASale has a wide range of merchants in various niches, from fashion and beauty to home and garden. They also have a user-friendly interface and helpful resources for their affiliates. 6. eBay Partner Network allows you to promote eBay products. This program is great for those who want to promote a well-known brand, and it's easy to find products to promote. 7. And last, Flex Offers offers a wide range of products in various niches, from travel and lifestyle to technology and finance. They have a user-friendly interface and helpful resources for their affiliates. It's important to note that these are just some examples of popular programs available. There are many other programs available, and the best program for you will depend on your specific niche and audience. Be sure to read the terms and conditions of each program before applying. Once you've found a program that you're interested in, sign up for it and start promoting. You can use social media, your own website, or even YouTube to promote products. It's important to remember that when it comes to affiliate marketing, content is king. You should focus on providing value to your audience by creating helpful and informative content, and include affiliate links within that content. This will not only educate your audience but also increase your chances of them buying through your links. Another tip for getting started with affiliate marketing is to focus on building your audience. The more people you have visiting your website or following you on social media, the more potential customers you have for the products you're promoting. Invest in SEO, or search engine optimization, so your website or blog appears higher in search results. This will increase the visibility of your website and bring more traffic to your site. Also, using social media to build your audience by reaching out to your followers and interact with them, providing valuable content, and being active in online communities and groups. Now, you may be wondering, how can you make your first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing? The answer is, it's not going to happen overnight. It will take time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with persistence and dedication, you can make it happen. One way to increase your earnings is to find high-paying affiliate programs and focus on promoting those. Another way is to promote multiple products at once. This can increase your earning potential. It's also important to track your analytics and see which products are performing well, then focus on promoting those products and removing the ones that aren't performing well. Another tip is to diversify your income streams. You can also use affiliate marketing in conjunction with other income streams such as sponsored content, or even creating your own digital products and services. Finally, it's important to always be testing and trying new things, and don't be afraid to experiment and try new methods to increase your earnings. Another important tip is to learn how to write effective email campaigns, as email marketing can be a great way to promote your affiliate products to your audience. A well-crafted email campaign can help you build trust with your audience and encourage them to buy through your affiliate links. Another tip is to use retargeting ads. This can help increase your conversion rates by displaying ads to people who have already visited your website or shown interest in your products. Also, always make sure to disclose that you are using affiliate links. This is not only a legal requirement, but it also builds trust with your audience and shows that you are transparent and honest with them. Finally, if you are just starting out, be prepared for the learning curve. Affiliate marketing is a skill, and like any other skill, it takes time and effort to master it. Be patient, and don't get discouraged if things don't work out right away. Keep learning, experimenting, and testing new strategies, and you'll be on your way to making your first $1,000 online with affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on how to boost your brain and live a better life. See you next time.